So over here, you can see that I have an image right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to save this for the web so that the file size is less and it is optimized for slow internet connections. So in that case, you can use a feature called Save for Web in Photoshop Elements. So to do that, you need to go around onto the file menu right here. And here you can see Save for Web is an option. If I were to go around and click on Save for Web right here, then you can see the original, which is 2.64 megabytes right here. And you can see the web version right here, which is 192.9 kilobytes right here. Let me just go around and resize this. And if I were to go around and zoom in, you can see the difference right here. So not much difference is seen, as you can see right here, but you can go around and change around a few settings to make it more optimized. So let's say you want less of a file size right here. And over here, you can see it takes 36 seconds on 56.6 kbps internet right here. That is the standard dial-up internet. And those using that internet connection speed will be able to view this in 36 seconds. You can see the level of detail right here. So you can go around over here onto the right hand side and choose the format as well. So you can choose GIF. GIF is much more for flatter pictures right here. So you can see a bit of dithering happening right here. If it is more like flat, more pictures, then you can use GIF. JPG is more for image. PNG is similar to GIF itself, and then it supports transparency as well. So in my case, I'm just going to go around and choose JPG because this is an image. So I can go around over here and choose the quality right here as well. Low quality right here means you can see it goes down to 46.96 kilobytes right here. But you can see some artifacts right here, like you can see that there's square boxes going around over here just like this, which does not look that good when actually loading out. But if I were to go around and see in a certain angle, then you can see that certain size, it does not actually is visible much. So you can go around and keep this quality as well. So you can go around and choose the quality that you want, like 0% quality. Then there's a lot of compression going on, but it's 33.08 kilobytes compared to the original 2.64 megabytes right here. But you can go around and tweak around the quality as you wish right here to get the optimal quality that you need. And over here, you can see that you can make the the compression progressive as well, and embed the color profile as well according to how you want, and that does affect out the output as well. You can also go around and change the size. Let's say, for example, you want it to be, let's say, 400 pixel right here. Then you can do that as well, and you can immediately see that it changes out the size of the image. So let's say this is enough for me. So I'm just going to go around and click on save right here. Then, as with any other regular image saving method, you can go around over here onto the folder that you want and save out the content. So I'm just going to go around and say image right here. And that is how you can utilize the Save for Web option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.